What is good, fashion people? It is your curly hair brown boy, the Prince, and welcome back to the channel, guys. I've got an amazing video for you guys today. Today, I'll be showing you guys the behind the scenes of the life of a fashion designer, guys. Today, we'll be going to a model casting for the upcoming fashion show, Fashion Without Borders. So, if you guys are ready, let's get this journey started. What's good, guys? So I'm here at the Gautrain station ready to board my train to Joburg. Okay guys, so I just arrived at the Gautrain station at Sandton. I'm running a little bit late, so I'm gonna make my way quickly over to the hotel where the casting is going to be held. So guys, I'm here at Fashion Without Borders model casting.
Yeah.
Everybody's here, it's good vibes, everybody's prepared to go out and do their best. It's really exciting and I'm having a great time. Here we have the models helping each other out, practicing and preparing for their moment to shine. Our judges are getting ready for a long day of model scouting. Our judges are top designers, model agency scouts, and Fashion Without Borders director himself. Here are all the models getting ready and prepared to go on for the casting. It's really exciting, good vibes, high energy, and let's see how it goes. Models are lining up as they wait for their turn to take the walk. Having so much fun and it is so interesting. So many amazing people here with all sorts of stories and backgrounds. It's really so cool. And well, I'm enjoying my time taking some photos. So I decided to interview some of the models to get a better understanding of the diversity, backgrounds, and reasons for the models being here today. Can you give me your name, please?
My name is Cornel Roberts.
Cornel Roberts. And where are you from?
I'm from Potchefstroom.
That's cool. And what inspired you to become a model?
Well, I'm actually a singer, and
A singer?
yeah,
Oh.
I was interested in the rest of the arts, and modeling, of course, is an art, and that made me want to learn more about it. And then I started with Johnny Jam Models, which is a modeling studio in Potch.
Okay.
And I enjoy it very much. It's a very interesting experience.
That's great, man.
Yeah, so it's to me it's a very interesting experience. I think that everyone ought to in their lifetime at least learn the art of modeling or have the opportunity to get a feel for it, because it is something that teaches you a lot about yourself. And as I've learned the past year and a half, modeling it's an art like any other art. You have to work hard. Yeah.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Shalom Joshi, known as Shaloshevis.
That's a beautiful name. And where are you from?
I'm from Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe. Okay, that's really cool. And tell me, what inspired you to become a model?
Well, first of all, people say I was born to be a model. So like whenever you walk somewhere, everyone is always asking you, "You look so beautiful. You're tall and slim, and your walk. You should try modeling." And then when I tried photography, my pictures were always amazing. So I decided, modeling is my calling.
It's in your DNA.
It's
It's
literally
part
just
of you.
in me. You don't try much. It just happens.
That is awesome. And is modeling the only thing you do?
So I'm a fashion model, script writer, video vixen, commercial model. I have my first DSTV advert I just flagged.
Oh, wow, congratulations.
So I'm also I do a lot of catalogs. So yes, I am pretty much doing this and that and everything artistic. I've also been doing a bit of some songwriting.
I'm sorry.
If you have gifts, give them all out.
Explore it. That's exactly explore
everything.
adventure.
Because you never know. You never know,
Definitely.
actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you very much.
Just lovely.
Yo, what's good, man?
I'm all good, man. What's good?
What's your name?
My name is Dachiso, stage name Zolaplex.
Plex. Alright, dope, dude. And where you from, man?
I'm from Zone 3D Plus in Soweto. Shout out to everybody out there.
Alright, dope. Shout out. And tell me, dude, what inspired you to do modeling?
Well, I got into music and I realized that you can't be a one-trick pony, you know? You can explore different avenues in this industry to like grow your name. So I got into it because one of my friends actually told me that I could be good at it, and then I just tried it out, and now I'm here.
Okay, that's awesome, dude. So you do music, man?
Yeah, I do music.
Okay, so would you say you're a creative?
Yeah, straight up.
Straight up?
Born and bred.
That's dope. Shout out to the creatives, man. You want to give a shout out to your music on Spotify or something?
Yeah, check out my music on all digital platforms. Just search Zodaplex, Zodaplex. And on social media, it's at Zodaplex. And check out my tape I just dropped last month called Trap Consciousness.
Alright, dope. Thanks for your time, man. Now we have the final casting. All the models are gathered, preparing for the judges' decision to find out who will be the models for Fashion Without Borders 2022. Our judges are hard at work making the tough decision to choose the right models. Here we have director and creator of Fashion Without Borders, Serge Tabisoso. Go!
Fashion Without Borders 2022!
So guys, Fashion Without Borders model casting has come to an end, and what an amazing and eventful day it was. I learned a lot about what it takes to be a model and be part of the cut to be on the runway. I had a lot of fun meeting amazing people of all walks of life, creatives and models. A lot of fun experiences being behind the scenes, getting to see about how the judges judge the models and being part of the experience, taking photos, hanging with the models and hanging with the judges. It was so cool and so much fun, and I'm so glad that I could experience this and share it with all you amazing people. So guys, that is pretty much it from me. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video, that you found it entertaining, and if you did guys, then please go ahead and drop this video a like, guys. Just smash that like button. Come on, it's right there. Just give it a click, and hey, don't forget to turn on those notifications so you don't miss another video. And if you're new to the channel, guys, you should consider subscribing because I make all sorts of amazing fashion related content like fashion DIYs, tutorials, and reviews, guys. And if you have any questions, maybe you want to know more about the model casting, or maybe you're a model yourself and you have some questions to ask me, guys, then please go ahead and drop me a comment. I respond to all my comments, guys, and I love conversating with all of you amazing people. So guys, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Keep living your passions.
Decorate your block with red tape, phone them sliding every day. Bunch of hollows spitting out the Glock. I've been serving fiends all day, out there posted with the gang, nigga. We was taught to get it off the block. It's 100 bands in the safe, now I got expensive taste. Michael Mary jeans, fill them up with knots. I've been on my grind every day, don't believe in taking breaks. I ain't stopping till we chillin' at the top. Swerving on the E-way, don't care if I crash in this coupe. Shit, I'm thinking